We changed it for several reasons. First of all, we serve all of Multnomah County, and so there was confusion over when we had Portland in our name. There was confusion over that, and we wanted to make sure that it was more clear that we served, didn't just serve Portland. And we also took the opportunity to choose a name that we thought said more about what it was we actually do. We help people find a home and have a home, and we also help people move forward in their lives. And it was important to us to have a name that talked about both of those elements of our mission and what we do, and that's how we wound up with Home Forward. But it absolutely started with feeling like we'd outgrown our name. We'd had our name for 70 years and it had served us well, but we really felt like we had moved beyond Housing Authority of Portland.
My other question is, a lot of people ask me this, and I tell them I'm not sure, but how long can we be on Section 8?
You can be on Section 8 as long as you need to be on Section 8. So if someone is in a situation where they need assistance for their life, if they have, if they're a senior and on a limited and fixed income, for instance, there is not an end to the assistance, the Section 8 assistance.